Vivint is at it again, and they just announced 4 new products coming this year, and we are here to give you the inside scoop on each of them. Thanks to advances in Vivint's CVC or computer vision chip, Big Orange has created updates to 3 of their existing cameras, and one of these 4 products is a totally new one. So let's take a look at what's coming out in 2022 from Vivint. Vivint's Doorbell Camera Pro is among the best in the biz. It's the only doorbell camera we've seen with a Smart Deter feature, one of Vivint's own inventions. Smart Deter can detect lurkers and new packages. Once it detects that person, it will whistle or hoot to let that person know that they're being watched. We're all pretty used to cameras being everywhere, but once the camera makes its presence known all on its own, that's a different story. The new Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro is the next generation of that current doorbell. This version sports a lens that can see as far vertically as it can horizontally, making it a great addition to your front porch if you're always ordering packages and worrying about package swipers. Some of the new bells and whistles of the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro include all of these features: a built-in SD card for continuous recording, upgraded camera sensor and CVC, brighter LED light, and a bigger button. These updated components let you record events for longer, see events better and in different light settings, and make it easier for guests, welcome and unwelcome, to see that you have a doorbell camera in the first place. And according to Vivint, the improved package detection is coming soon to this camera, so now you can tell when a package leaves your porch as well as when it arrives. As of May 2022, the new Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro is available now and for $249.99 through Vivint. This is the next generation of Vivint's Outdoor Camera Pro. It still has some of the best qualities like Smart Deter with the 85 decibel speaker to scare away lurkers. It'll also keep its 360-degree ball joint that makes it easy to position at any angle, as well as a 140-degree field of vision, 3x HD zoom, and 4K HDR sensor. But what's new with this version is all on the inside. Just like the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, the Outdoor Camera Pro has some new guts, like an upgraded CVC, onboard encrypted SD card, and compatibility with Vivint Spotlight Pro. But what is that? Well, no spoilers, I'll tell you in a second. And like the Doorbell Camera Pro, it's available now from Vivint for $399.99. The new Vivint Indoor Camera Pro is getting a total makeover this year. Just for reference, this is what it used to look like. But later this year, you'll be seeing a serious glow up from this camera. The newest iteration of the Vivint Indoor Camera Pro sports some awesome features like audio analytics, privacy mode, new CVC, built-in SD card, fully articulated hinge, and a 155-degree field of vision. The audio analytics is something we've seen from other cameras and even Amazon Echoes. That's the feature that listens in for sounds like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors or broken glass. You know, the sounds that you'd really want to know about when you're away. The privacy mode update also allows you to start the camera recording when you arm or disarm the system. So you won't have to worry about accidentally spying on yourself while you're home. When you arm your system and leave, the camera will do its thing, then turn off the recording once you're home. Unfortunately, we don't have a release date for the Indoor Camera Pro just yet. But once it's out, it will be available through Vivint for $199.99. And finally, the newest addition to the Vivint family isn't a new version of anything, it's a whole new animal. The Vivint Spotlight Pro is an attachment for your Vivint Outdoor Camera Pro. It works with the camera instead of its own motion sensors. Vivint's still keeping the details under lock and key, and we definitely have some questions. Apparently, the Spotlight Pro can follow the motion or person it detects when the outdoor camera's Smart Deter is triggered. There's also adjustable brightness and modes like strobe, circle, and wave. We aren't sure what that will look like just yet, but we're excited to hear more from Vivint as it comes out. And from what we can tell, it'll only work with the newest version of the Outdoor Camera Pro, so you'll need to be sure to have that if you want the Spotlight. The Spotlight Pro's release date is scheduled for July 2022 and retails at $249.99. It'll also be subject to professional installation, so you won't have to have any DIY knowledge to get this new gadget added to your Vivint security system. And there you have it, the latest from Vivint coming out this year. We'll be sure to keep you up to date as we learn more about any of these products. We have more videos on Vivint's equipment, FAQs, and pricing, so if you want to check those out and learn more, take a look at our whole Vivint playlist here on YouTube. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.